So in 2025, one of the biggest products increasing on VA that we've gone through and have noticed has been the one-time construction VA loan closing, where someone either identifies their own property they're going to build on or putting in a purchase and sell, identifying a piece of property they're going to go through and buy. A one-time VA closing, you're actually closing in the very beginning of the transaction. So you're encompassing, cashing that piece of land plus the builder complete contract on it, plus the real estate agent. Everyone's being dispersed before we even start step one. The other cool factor is the biggest benefits to you. It's a zero down loan, so there's no money basically coming out of your pocket to go through and do that construction. You don't start making payments till the house is completed. So it has to be a 30-year loan through VA. 100% financing, like I said, land's paid off. The builder has all the money allotted to go through and do the construction. Your appraisal, everything else is done in the very beginning to go through and do it. And the coolest part about it, you do not start making payments till it's completed. Has to be done within a 10-month time period. So let's just say hypothetical, it takes them 10 months to complete it. You're actually physically doing a 29-year, 0.2-month loan amortization. Once it goes through and starts, it takes that first 10 months, offsets it, put it into the transaction. You also have a conversion period too at the very end of the construction, where let's say, example, you're locking in a rate while the construction is going on, and you get to the very end, you have the ability to accept that interest rate or do a VA streamline at the end of construction, readjusting your rate. And at that time, if you want to do a shorter term loan, you can. So there's a lot of things to encompass to go through and do it that are just highly beneficial. And probably the biggest change in 2025 is you can pick your own builder. It used to be a small amount of VA builders allowed. Now any builder can go through and do a VA transaction. It's one removal that they went through and did. It just encompassed every small builder, everything else to be able to go through and be able to do the VA construction loan. So definitely a really cool product. If you're doing something in Washington, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, one of those 4 states, Creekside Mortgage is here to go through and help you. I'd love to go through and give you direction, more information, and we love doing the one-time construction VA loan. So talk soon. Thanks.